Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, July 19th. What do we have on the docket today for news? We just had the 8:30 numbers come out. Housing starts, red item, 1.43 million, 1.48. Not a huge miss. Again, this is one of those underlying things. It says the economy is slowing down, less than expected housing starts. Also, building permits were less than expected. Also, but the variance was very minimal. We have crude oil inventories at 10:30, and that is it for the rest of the day. And I think that when we go to the daily here, it's a good example of, it. Everybody can have an opinion. And honestly, my opinion has been that this market should not be going up, should be going down. And that's been absolutely wrong. Um, and it sort of helps highlight the fact that you should have no opinion. You should just trade what you see. And what I see here is it feels like it's topping. It went right to where we talked about it going yesterday, that red line. Where could it go today? I think it could maybe go up into that little low volume node, 46.28. 46.28. It may have some trouble getting through 4,600. It just seems overextended. It seems like the news cycle has been overly bullish. Again, I've been wrong. That being said, where could it drop back down if it comes down? Maybe 45.49 here, that low volume node right there. Again, you got to play both sides of the market and be willing to play both sides of the market. And yes, I lost money yesterday, as well as the day before. These two up days just hurt me because I don't believe them, and that's part of my, that's my kryptonite, is an up move that I don't believe. I'll just keep shorting it and shorting it and shorting it. Good news is that I have stops in place that only allow me to lose a certain amount. And that is a protective stop or a catastrophic stop to keep you from losing your money and from yourself, which is many times our biggest enemy is ourselves. Looking at the intraday and the inventory was up, but only slightly, about 3,000 contracts on a big, pretty decent sized move. But correlated, that's the way the market should be. Nothing to learn or see from that information. Taking a look at the intraday, relatively narrow range again, about 10 points or so. That's relatively small range. Looking for resistance on the top side. Again, there seems to be a little bit right here around 46.02. We scrunch it down a little bit. You can see right there, 46.19. And right there's the next little spot, 46.37. So we got three levels for resistance. Support, on the other hand, we got some really decent support around 45.83. 45.65, and quite a bit of support around that I'm going to call that 45.44. So those are your support resistance numbers for today. Stock Traders Almanac is 57.1, 57.1. So there is a positive bias historically from the Stock Traders Almanac. That's all I've got for you today. Hope you guys have a great day. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. Have a good one. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.